come and stare at us. Blow bubbles with their gum, take photographs of fun, have fun. They'll name a city after us, and later say it's all our fault. Then they'll give us a talking to, then they'll give us a talking to, 'cause they've got years of experience. Living in a den of thieves, rummaging for answers in the pages. Living in a den of thieves, it's contagious, it's contagious. They made a statue of us, they made a statue of us. The tourists come and stare at us, the sculptors marvel since regards. They made a statue of us, they made a statue of us. Our noses have begun to rust. Living in a den of thieves, it's contagious, it's contagious, it's contagious, it's contagious, it's contagious, it's contagious.
What I want, you got, and it might be hard to handle.
I think it's official. I'm in love with Summer. I love how she makes me feel. Did you ever even have a boyfriend?
Of course.
What happened? Why didn't they work out?
What always happens? Life.
We'll get over her. I don't want to get over her. I want to get her back.